you, dude? We're in here.
So now they have a Bose in Lebanon.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Where's that at?
I was talking about that yesterday.
I don't remember. Did I answer?
No. You and Dad were discussing. I was trying to ask Mom where it was. It looks like it's right across from McDonald's.
Oh.
It just opened. I'm in for carryout.
They're not hiring.
They're almost always hiring.
Probably means they don't pay very well.
And you're open all night.
You were closed for the big holidays?
I think so.
Oh, cool. Market and pharmacy in the same spot.
We need.
Garcia Cambodia. Oh, back Betty, Bamba Lamb. Whoa, oh, Black Betty, Bamba Lamb.
Sound about a car.
Maybe.
Every time I hear about it, it always makes it sound like a car. Oh, that Betty, bam, bam.
How you know it's not a black chick named Betty?
Oh. Betty had a child. Bam, bam.
See? That's what I'm thinking. Maybe not. It's not actually racist, but it's. You should call her Black Betty because she's wild.
Like the Black Sheep family.
Yeah. Try not to dissect lyrics in songs because it usually ruins them. A lot of them are stupid as hell.
I don't know what to get for. I need like a little bit. What I'm gonna get.
Those weren't complete sentences.
Let me know a little bit what I'm gonna get.
Oh, okay. Well, I got lunches. Well,